हेलो। तो इसमें क्लास टीचर से बातचीत देखेंगे विद द क्लास टीचर। मदर क्लास टीचर से बात करेंगे। गुड आफ्टरनून मिसेस सेन, आई एम पूनम शर्मा, कशिप्रा शर्मा's mother. Kashipra told me you wanted to see me. Class teacher, yes, please sit down. Here is Shipra's monthly progress report. She has failed in 2 subjects. Yes, she was unwell during the maths test. बीमार थी उस समय. Class teacher, fine, but what about English? She got only 3 marks out of 10. In social studies also she has barely got pass marks. बड़ी मुश्किल से. Mother, yes, actually when I am quite worried about her. Shipra doesn't take interest in studies. Class teacher, I think she is quite weak physically. Mother, yes, you are right. She also complains of a headache very often. अक्सर उसको सर दर्द होता है. Please get her eyes tested. I have noticed that she is unable to read the blackboard properly. Mother, I will take her to an eye specialist today itself. I'll also consult the doctor regarding her general health. Class teacher, besides, Shipra needs extra coaching in math and English. Who teaches her at home? Mother, I do, but I must admit that I am not very regular. Please be regular in future. Shipra's handwriting is very bad. She must practice handwriting at home. Yes, I'll definitely pay more attention to her now. Please do that. Shipra is an intelligent and well-behaved girl. With a little effort, she will definitely improve. Mother, I will try my best. Thank you very much, Mrs. Sen. Please keep me informed about her progress. Yes, of course. Okay, bye, Mrs. Sen. तो ये रहा, करते रहिए प्रैक्टिस.